How to get glowing skin at home. Your skin is the largest organ that you have, so you want to take care of it. Glowing skin is typically seen as a sign of health and vitality. Dull or dry skin, on the other hand, can make you feel less than your best. Here are products and lifestyle changes that you can implement as part of your beauty and skincare routine. The best part? You probably already have everything you need in your pantry, kitchen, or medicine cabinet. 1. Milk. Personally, I love this ingredient. It not only softens and nourishes the skin, but it also makes it sensuous and helps in removing tan. You can either wipe your skin with full-fat milk twice a day or splash a small bowlful of cold milk on your skin and pat it dry. Skin benefits from milk's moisturizing properties. The following home remedy works well for those who have dry skin. Make sure you apply it regularly. 2. Virgin coconut oil. The healing, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties of coconut oil make it a valuable health supplement. You may or may not be able to use coconut oil on your face depending on your skin type. If you have allergies to coconut, avoid using this product. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer, according to research. Massage a small amount of coconut oil onto your face. It should soak for a few minutes before you wash it off. 3. Honey. Taken internally and externally, it is excellent for the skin. For combination to dry skin types, take 1 teaspoon of honey and massage on the skin daily. It should be left on for about 10 minutes, after which it should be washed. Pat your skin dry and you will notice that it is not only softer but also glowing. In order to experience the maximum benefit from raw honey, make sure to use it both internally and externally. Organic raw honey is easily available everywhere nowadays. 4. Banana. A common man's moisturizer and nourisher, never underestimate this fruit. Mash a ripe banana and massage the skin with the pulp. Even the driest of skins will thank you for it. Banana contains moisture, potassium and vitamins E and C, which are responsible for promoting clear skin. Use a ripe banana as it has more beneficial effects than unripe one. 5. Olives. Olive is an excellent source of vitamins. Apply 3 to 4 mashed olives to the skin and allow it to dry. Pat dry after washing with cold water. You will help restore your skin's natural pH with olive oil. Olive oil has been long known for its beneficial effects on the skin. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalene, making it amazing for hair and skin health along with nails. 6. Avocado. Dry skin benefits from this healthy fruit with aphrodisiac properties. Apply the avocado to your skin and gently massage it. After 15 minutes, wash it off with milk and water. Avocados contain vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that help you maintain good skin. Another good way to keep your skin healthy is to use avocado oil. You can also get glowing skin by eating avocado. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.